Intelligent ways of implementing the energy revolution in ports, smart port energy. That was the issue in focus at the World Ports Conference in Hamburg today. The port of the future as a role model for renewable energy generation. The idea behind it is that with this concept we want to try to cut emissions in the port. We want to move away from conventional energy sources to renewable sources, like wind turbines and solar cells. And we want to reduce traffic emissions. At the World Ports Conference, representatives of environmental organizations joined in the debate about how intelligent concepts can reduce the emissions burden. The decisive truth for this conference as well is that air pollution is still a serious problem in Europe. The ports are responsible for more than their fair share. Although steps have been taken, we're nowhere near being able to say we're happy with the situation. Using renewables to reduce harm to the environment is an international challenge.
In China, starting in Hong Kong, we've done the emission inventory, so we know the contribution of shipping emissions to the overall pollution, and it's actually quite high, and especially if the port is very near where people live and work. So that's where we need to really regulate, but work very closely with terminals and with the ships.
Around the world, the cruise ship industry is experiencing a big boom, and here too, smart energy concepts play a major role. For example, you can use filter technology on ships. You can do it by charging the ship's batteries from shore, and you can do it using liquid natural gas from which you can produce clean energy. Clean energy for cruise ships, for an industry where the boom is set to continue for some time.
The future is very bright indeed, and especially for ports like Hamburg. The vision is there is more to come in the future. It will only expand.
And the cruise industry is growing in Hamburg too. Next week sees the opening of Hamburg's third cruise ship terminal.